welcome. Hello guys, welcome to Kweku Tech. So today I have with me Tech Itri. I'll be having a conversation with him. He's one of the tech YouTubers here in Ghana. To tell me more about the industry here in Ghana and how you can also venture into the industry. You're welcome, Tech Itri. So how did it all begin? About your journey? How did you begin your YouTube channel?
Um, when I wanted to start a YouTube channel, a lot of people try to criticize that, how can you start a YouTube channel like in June? Ghana, we are not into tech. So how can you focus on how can you target only Ghanaians? So it won't work like that. But I use people like Coffee TV, Robin Magreb, and other content creators who speak to you. You get a lot of subscribers and a lot of views. And I know this time I won't get a lot of views because Ghanaians are not in tech, as I said earlier. But as time goes on, governments have been implementing like USA code, like CCTV cameras, like the traffic cameras. So gradually, Ghanaians will be there. So and as you can see, my channel too.
Yeah. So why tech, not into any entertainment or anything? Why did you choose tech?
Because I know I can do best on tech category. I know I can do best there. Because I started tech when I was 2 years. So I knew I can do best on tech. That's why I chose tech.
So are you a student or you work or full-time tech YouTuber?
I'm a student.
A student of which school?
Email.
Oh, okay. So are you still schooling or?
Last semester I attended only 2 classes.
Wow. So how will you describe the tech industry here in the country?
I said gradually, people are adapting it, and I know maybe 2 or 3 years. A lot of the youth, they are into tech already. So I know gradually, maybe 5 to 6 years, there will be a lot of tech YouTubers who speak cheap like I. Yeah.
So which aspect of tech do you focus on? Do your channel really focus on?
Currently, I have 6 playlists: car reviews, cryptocurrencies, how to make money online, cyber security things, daily things. Like I have 6, and I'm trying to master all of them. Sorry.
So when you started the channel, how was the reception?
It was very bad. You can do research for one video, like 3 days or 2 days. You release a video, then 1 week later you come back and you see like 2 views. Already you have shared like links, the video link like to 100 people, and you come back 1 week and you see 2 views, 3 views. But that's how it works. YouTube, the beginning is very, very hard, but as time goes on, when you have the passion, you believe in it, you believe in what you are doing, definitely you are going to succeed. Yes. So, and you have to invest. Yes, investing in your content is very, very important. You have to invest. You have to promote your videos because you believe in the type of content you are bringing out. So you have to promote it because you know that when you promote it and you reach a lot of people, you get a lot of subscribers also.
So what keeps you motivated?
I motivated myself. Yeah, I motivated myself because I know my content is unique because it was first time in Ghana, so I know I believe in those content that I'm going to succeed. Yes.
So what was your first viral video?
My first viral video was how to get MTN Vodafone cheap bundle. That's MTN Zone. Okay. MTN Zone. Yeah, at that time, a lot of people don't know about it. So immediately I brought that video, people were reacting, hey, MTN zone. So I took that opportunity, posted that link on Facebook, and I promoted it like $50, and currently I have 174,000 views for that video, and that video helped me gain 4,000 watch hours to monetize my
Wow.
channel. Yeah.
So how did you feel when you saw that?
Uh, Actually, I feel like I'm getting somewhere. I feel like I'm getting somewhere because there are a lot of work ahead. I feel like I'm getting somewhere because tech. You have to research. You have to research. It's not like I'm going around asking people, hey, what do you like? What do you like best?
Yeah.
Tech, you are bringing content about tech. You have to know what you are bringing out because once you are bringing out, there are a lot of gurus too on the channel who will be researching what you are saying. So you can't just say anything. Day in, day out, you have to do research. You have to bring out the relevant content, the content that is true. Like it's true, yeah.
So how will you describe the tech industry here in Ghana?
How I would describe tech industry right now.
Yeah, the tech industry in Ghana, like the tech industry here in Ghana.
Like I said earlier, in Ghana here, technology gradually it is improving. So I know, like as I said earlier, for like 4 years, 6 years, there are a lot of youths coming up with amazing tech ideas, talented. There are a lot of innovators out there who can use paper to make a car. There are a lot of talented, but right now the problem is who is going to help them? Because actually, I used to help a lot, but all my revenue I generate on YouTube, I used to help those who needs that money, like who needs that money more than I do. So sometimes I meet guys who are into programming, artificial intelligence. Oh, I need a laptop tech in cheap. Like then you have to donate like 1,000 Ghana or 1,002 Ghana to help. So gradually we will be improving.
Okay, your last words for our audience.
Pardon?
Your last words for my audience and your audience.
Oh, okay. Kweku, thank you for your time, and I know you are producing a lot of relevant content on your channel, and your subscribers to know about it. And I know you people should follow Kweku, subscribe to it, turn the bell icon so that Kweku can bring you more relevant videos. Yes.
Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit on the notification icon. I will leave the link to his channel under the video description. He is Tech in Tree. Peace. Also, Sayo.